So you want to mix the drink. Hemingway Special. Well, this is how. This is a shaken drink. You need a cocktail glass, ice, a shaker, a strainer, rum, grapefruit juice, cherry liquor, fresh lime juice. Use a measuring cup to get a precise tasting drink. Pour all ingredients into an ice-filled cocktail shaker. 6 centiliters of rum, 4 centiliters of grapefruit juice, 1.5 centiliters of cherry liquor, 1.5 centiliters of fresh lime juice. Shake well. Strain the liquids from the shaker into a cocktail glass. And your Hemingway Special is ready to be served.